Hi guys, today I want to take a look at the updating a design for your field controller. I have loaded up a job here I had from 2013. It was a building with some grid lines, which as you can see under designs I have two designs. One is called grid line and one is called basement walls. So what we want to take a look at is how to update. So let's say I'm gonna create another grid line, call it 4.4a or something at certain offset. So let's go to CAD, hit offset command. We have the line selected. I'm gonna put it on the same layer so it's easier. Offset distance, I'm gonna see, so they are 9.15, so I'm just gonna go halfway, right? So divided by 2, and I want to go this way. Vertical I don't have. So now I have created a 4a or 4.5 grid line. So what I can do, I can click this, copy. Now I'm gonna relayer this time. Just gonna hit apply, and I'm gonna go from this side to this side, and I'm gonna re-5. So that would be one that I need to add the 4.5 into my design. But sometimes what might happen is that you actually change a design. So let's say I'm gonna take out this little line, just one line, whatever that is. So now what's happening is that I have modified the design of basement. As you can see, it's red, which means that if I were to go to construction data and do a design manager, as you can see, the basement has a dot next to it. When I click on it, it's gonna have again a dot here, and once I hit resolve, it's gonna give me a message: the design map in the project is newer than the design map on assigned controllers. Now what that means is if I don't update the design on the controller and then I sync the controller, you're gonna still see the old design without the changes you have made. So, but if I hit yes, now the design on controller, which we're gonna check out here shortly, is already synced. But what I want to do is I want to hit that design manager again, and I want to go to my grid lines, hit OK. I want to hit the design map, and I want to take these extra lines, the new ones, hit add and hit OK. This had updated my design on the controller already. There's few ways to check it out. Right now I would just go and sync it. Since I know which job and which controller it is on, I can go and take a look at 13.220. So it's somewhere up here. 13. Oh, it's 5090. Sorry, wrong controller. So I need to take this one. 13.220. And under designs I have the two designs. If I hit basement, right, I only have the line work there. So if I open it in a CAD, you're gonna see, we're gonna zoom into that corner where I took that one line out, and you're gonna see that they are the same. It's taking its time. Obviously the CAD softwares are bigger every single time. So let's see. Let's go to zoom extents, and it was somewhere down here. You remember there was that other it's gonna be, yeah. So this is, you can see it nicely, right? So there was that other line which I have erased from the original design. if we were to open the other design as grid lines, and this is like looking on the controller already, right? So let's see if that opens. That's way faster, and we should have the 4.5 grid line in there. So as you can see, until you hit update in your design manager, this won't update. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next one.